We are delighted to introduce Nakuya Angel, one of the newest beneficiary of the Proline Film Academy Girl-Child Scholarship Program, who was awarded a full one-year scholarship valued at 8 million Ugandan shillings. Angel was discovered during the UCC Regional Film Competition Capacity Building Program held on the 15th of March 2025 in Mubende town. The workshop, organized by the Uganda Communications Commission, UCC, in partnership with Proline Film Academy, brought together passionate young creatives from across the region. Driven by her determination to grow in the creative arts, Angel traveled to Mubende to participate in the 4-day intensive workshop. Her dedication and the heartfelt testimony she shared during the training profoundly moved the CEO of Proline Film Academy, who made the decision to award her a full scholarship on the spot.
Seeking knowledge to start now okwekolera. Kusaidia Proline Film Academy, we run a scholarship. This is a scholarship for ladies. And actually, we have a scholarship in Uganda.
Amanya gange mpitiwa Nakuya Angel era nga ndi muyizi ku Proline Film Academy nga ndi ku diploma ku course ya Advanced 3D Animation and Compositing. Na joininga Proline Film Academy nga oluvannyuma lwa UCC okuteekateeka program ya Regional Film Festivals era nga nabasisinkana Mubende. Kintu ekyali ekyassanyu nnyo okubanga nkiyingidde nga mpise mu UCC okubanga ya inviting nempa invitation okugenda e Mubende programs zaabwe eyo gye nasisinkanira aba Proline Film Academy era bebatusomesa byonna gye twayitamu mu workshop eyo. Nali excited nnyo nga bw'okiwulira era lunaku olwasemberayo ddala nga tumaliriza workshop nempeebwa scholarship era omwami mukulu Kiwanuka Henry omukulu w'essomero lino erya Proline Film Academy ye yampa scholarship eyo. Bwe lunaku lwange olukyasinza okuba olw'essanyu mbaliraawo mu bulamu bwange.
Angel officially began her journey at Proline Film Academy in April 2025, where she is now pursuing a course in advanced 3D animation, one of the most technically demanding and creatively rewarding disciplines in the world of digital storytelling. At PFA, we believe that potential should never be held back by financial limitations. Every year, we commit over 32 million Ugandan shillings to the Girl-Child Scholarship Program, which supports 5 talented young women from underprivileged backgrounds in pursuing professional training in fields such as directing, producing, writing, cinematography, photography, and animation. This scholarship is not just about financial assistance. It is about opening doors, creating equity, and empowering young women to thrive in the film and media industry. Through mentorship, hands-on training, and access to cutting-edge tools, recipients like Angel are given the opportunity to transform their passion into purpose and profession. We congratulate Nakuya Angel on her bold step forward and look forward to witnessing the impact of her journey in the creative world.